Yeah, I know. I've been looking for it.
Yeah.
Johnny's a jam pie cushion.
Jam pie, cream pie donut. Yo. What is going on, guys? Today I'm doing some work to my car and Brandon's helping me out. So yeah, like I mentioned in previous videos, I'm going for less aero, just an OEM plus look for at least the beginning half of this year. So Brandon helped me take off the canards and the little like splitter rods, and I'm just working on getting my side skirts off outside of my car because the carbon fiber like underlaying pieces broke, and I'm going to be running the ones that came off of Charles's car, which came off of John's car before that. But yeah, they're nice because they got a little like fin here at the back end, and then yeah, nice solid carbon fiber. Jesse, what are you doing, man?
Just building a splitter for this Evo.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were joking that like these were originally intended for a G35, and then they got cut and fitted on an R33, and they're gonna get cut again and put on an S15.
Yes.
And then eventually David will sell them and they'll get cut and put on like a Miata. And then they'll be Miata specific.
Yes.
So
yeah,
just getting shorter and shorter.
Shorter and shorter, yeah. Pretty much with my the side skirt splitters that I have on mine. Yeah, they were long on my TSX. Cut them for my R34 and then cut them for my S15. So pretty much what we just talked about. Yeah. I kind of worked on a quick like render of my car, I guess, like just kind of trying to get some ideas flowing for how I can have my car set up. So yeah, I am going with the, where the hell is it? So yeah, I am going to be going with this Avery Denison Quicksilver. So it's kind of got like a bluish tinge to it, but it's silver with a lot of flake in the light, as you guys can see. It's a rainbow of oil. But yeah, as you guys can see, Calgary is on its third winter. It's snowing outside. I'm going to be just laying on this cardboard and trying to get the skirts off. I already got all the screws off, but there's like 10 or 12 mil bolts underneath, and I don't want to get the jack out here, so I'm going to attempt to do it like just like this. Another thing that I got that just came in today actually is these rear valences or pods or spats, whatever you want to call them around the world. Kind of a rare piece to get. Not that it's rare, but it's just hard to get them. But yeah, they look dope on the car. Let's fucking see it, mate. So yeah, before. Damn, dude.
It's gonna look sweet, man.
Yeah, it's gonna look good. What about on your car?
Of course, man. It's gonna look good with it. Your way.
You should get these. CC me a little bit.
I'll only get them if I get the aero bumper.
Thank you, dude.
Brandon got new car parts.
What did you get? What are you getting? You got coils yesterday.
I got Tein Street Advanced coilovers yesterday.
Nice teens. So
Put them on hopefully next week.
yeah, word. So that thing's finally gonna be low.
Low. Still be to remember that.
If you don't know what a part is called, it's a pod, no matter what it is.
Yes, that is true. It's that pod thing over there. You what, mate? Looking at parts.
No, I'll show you. 200. And
For
then. Oh.
You know what? You practice and let me know when you got it figured out. I got the side skirts off, as you guys can see. There's just like bolts in each one of these like tabs. So yeah, the car looks pretty ugly right now with no skirts. And a life thought. So, you know, as I'm like getting all dirty and I'm laying on a piece of cardboard that's all wet, I'm getting like undercarriage stuff all over me, snow in my hair and shit. You think I'd hate it, but like I wouldn't rather be doing anything else It's kind of just a thought that came into my mind as I was doing this. Like, most people would think that this was like a shitty thing to do and they'd complain about it. And they'd be like, oh, I'm getting all wet and dirty and shit. But I guess just make sure you do what you guys like to do, what you love to do in life, because like the conditions or circumstances won't matter if you love what you do. Inspirational time with David ASAP. I'm gonna bring these skirts inside now and unbolt the carbon fiber extension pieces. Where are you going?
Home Depot.
For hardware. This side skirt splitter piece actually tore in half, so that's 2 pieces. It is repairable, but yeah, like I said, we got those other ones over there, so I'm just gonna run those. Yeah, these canards, actually, if you guys know Natsy from Vancouver, she might be buying these if Brandon doesn't step up to the plate. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and unbolt the carbon fiber pieces and mock up the new carbon fiber pieces, see how they look. So yeah, there it is with the new carbon fiber piece. A little fin right there, ties in nicely with like the lines of the side skirt. Shit. Yeah, I'm happy with these. They're just a little too long, as I said earlier, so you just kind of need to trim it skirt length. But damn, dude. This side skirt is a 2-piece, so this front piece actually is completely separate. And this is what I'm planning to wrap black. How it looks in my vectorized image, if you want to bring that up. You on Pornhub, dude?
No, what do you think about this?
I think that's an S15, dude.
It is.
Yeah, shit, that looks good. A little like lip.
Yeah.
Yeah, do it. Do it.
Just looking at where.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind something like that too, actually, to be honest. How much is that?
I'm looking where to get it.
A black side skirt piece, and then the door. And lip
I want, like,
paintings,
something
and
under
yeah. You what, mate?
I want something under there.
Under there?
Lip.
Under there. Underwear. Yeah, so I also do want a lip, just like the one that Brandon just showed, for this bumper. You don't have it yet, so it's not official CC. I also I'm gonna clean up the bumper because like it's got jagged edges there, so I kind of sharpied where I need to cut to give it like a nice even clean cut. I'm gonna use like the sander, fine tools, touch all of this up. I had to trim it to fit the intercooler core and piping, so yeah, pretty much these jagged edges all throughout here. Let me get a shot from over here. That was like 5 minutes of belt sanding, just the center part here, and it looks so much better already. Look at that, nice and smooth, and isn't jagged anymore. I did a little bit of this side, but I'm gonna need a finer tool because I can't really round that too well with like just a belt sander. So Devon and Ray are arguing about how to get an emblem off.
You guys are arguing.
You guys are like a married couple.
Yeah, they only have debates. I would say just donut debates.
All right.
Get it warm.
So
Powdery
messy.
donut challenge.
Make sure, you gotta make sure nothing below you. Do you eat it in one bite, Charles?
No, man, but you can try it.
You could try.
Okay, yeah. May as well.
Yeah, I know. I've been looking for it.
Yeah.
Johnny's a jam pie.
Jam pie, cream pie, donut. Yeah, try 2 next time. All right, so we just got back from FedEx. Guess what came in for the Civic? Let us know what's good, man.
Yeah, man. So I'm just gonna light this smoke first. So my coils just came in for my car. Super stoked about it.
Yeah, man, this thing's gonna be low.
Oh shit.
Just nailed the trim, bro. Not lit. Not lit.
Like right there. Back in front of it.
You singing a song there?
Yeah. Just don't look at the signs, just go straight to the coilovers.
They remind me of Megan's. That's dope, dude. Yeah, you just twist this bottom part in, up the threads to lower it.
Yep.
Yo, that's good. That's a good feature. You don't want to be like fucking with the spring for height.
They might not go as low as I want, actually.
No, trust me, dude. They will. They will.
Yeah.
They're deceiving with threads and shit. I want to see the color.
Party man.
Ooh, they got camber adjustment. Hell yeah.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, we got shitload of bouncy balls, and Devon thought one was gum. Let's see your balls, bro.
You can put that in, that's fine.
This child over here, man. Yeah, the rear isn't like a McPherson, it's a spring and strut.
Yeah. So it's a strut, and then the spring sits on the inside, on top.
Camber control. Camber adjustment, bro.
Yeah, same shit.
Camber, I guess.
Dude, man.
So like,
Are you gonna have your wheels like this?
Sits
like
on
a
the
spaceship?
top.
Like mine, dude. You can't see.
No, spaceship style.
Oh, just fully
Like fully flat. And just hover. It's the new technology these days.
What do you think, bro? You stoked?
I'm stoked, man.
Hell yeah, this
Goes
thing's
super
about to
low,
be
this
dumped.
Dude, purple and white is a good combo.
Oh, look at that color.
What kind of those?
What is the name on it though? Max speeding rods. Oh, okay.
Oh, no, they're not bad.
They're not bad. They're not bad. And yo, this quality reminds me of Megan Racing, dude. When I had my Megans for my TS6,
Jealous of my
a
balls.
little, maybe a bit better, but pretty close, dude. This top half looks like it's really well made.
Yeah.
Yo.
So we didn't film any of it, but we installed Brandon's coilovers pretty quick.
An hour? An hour and a half?
Yeah, about an hour and a half. So it's not the lowest, but it's good for winter.
It will be low.
Yeah, we're gonna lower it more in summer.
The wheel there.
Brandon dipped one of his wheels black. My old wheels. Yeah, I think black would look good. So yeah, pretty easy to do. Like we said, it only took about an hour and a half. She's stripped, man.
Yeah, basically, right?
Ray's truck is looking minty out here. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to check out lowcalsmovement.com. New merchandise on there. Follow us on Instagram. And yeah, peace.